Hello business partners, now let's learn how to book domestic flights using your Ecash account. Okay, let's start with logging in with our credentials. By the way, I'm using the version 1 web portal for this tutorial. If you're using another portal, that's okay. Layout can be different, but process will be the same. Then click the icon on the uppermost left. Select online booking. Then click domestic flight. Okay, just a reminder, don't forget to set your markup before searching flights. Okay, now click search flight. Before we proceed with the next step, please take note, children aging 2 to 11 years old pays full fare that of adults and they can't be booked separate without a parent or guardian. For passengers with infants, let the CSR book them. For senior citizen passengers, ask your passenger senior citizen's ID and ask CSR for assistance. Okay? Then select between one-way or round trip, but for this tutorial, we'll select one-way. After that, start setting your origin, destination, the date, the number of passengers. If there's an infant, select the number of infants or anything that is appropriate to your desired flight or customer's desired flight. And if your customer is a senior citizen, make sure to turn on or just click on the senior citizen button and prepare the senior citizen's ID. Verify all desired information, then click the search button. Then available flights for that particular date will be displayed. Choose your desired flight. And by the way, if you get a message that there are no available flights, that means you just have to select another date, okay? Then click the proceed button at the bottom. Next is to input the passenger's details like title, first name, last name, date of birth, and then gender. For age, it will just be automatically displayed after you enter the date of birth. Then contact details for schedule, change advisory. I would suggest just input your own phone number and your own email address. Then same thing goes for delivery details. I would suggest to use your own address like street, city, zip code, and the country. Verify all information before you click the submit button. Okay, here's another reminder for passengers whose names have special characters. Double check and verify all information before clicking the proceed button. Then click again proceed for confirmation. Then your e-ticket should be automatically be generated. But if it's not, you can check the status of your ticket by going to online booking, then domestic flight, then click issue ticket button. If it is available, you'll see the get ticket button, or if it's canceled, then it's the cancel button. Okay, that's it. Thank you for watching.